Hey, this is George Justin Sintiga, and today we're gonna take a look on the topic virtual machine. So we will see what is virtual machine, types of virtual machine, why do we need them, how do they work, architecture of virtual machine, and pros and cons of virtual machine. So what is virtual machine? An virtual machine is an execution of computer system within our physical personal computer. So when we have a computer system, we normally have an operating system, and that operating system might be Windows, Mac, or Linux operating system. We normally use to have one operating system running inside our computer, and that operating system will be allowing us to perform various activities on that computer. That operating system allows us to access all the resources and perform various operations on the computer. But this virtual machine allows the user to execute multiple computer systems within our physical personal computer. So initially we will have one operating system, and the operating system might be Windows, Mac, or Linux, or any distribution of Linux. Virtual machine allows to install and run multiple operating systems in single computer, thereby working an illusion their each separate execution environment in running its own private computer. The resources of computer system are shared to each OS running by the virtual machine. Now let's see types of virtual machine. The first one is system virtual machine. A system virtual machine is also called hardware virtual machine. It is a software emulation of computer system. Software virtual machine provides a platform for the execution of computer operating system. It creates the number of different isolated identical execution environment in single computer by partitioning the computer memory to install and execute the different operating system. Some of these examples of simple virtual machines are VMware and VirtualBox. And another type of virtual machine is a process virtual machine. A process virtual machine is also called language virtual machine or an application virtual machine. Process virtual machine is a software simulation of computer system. It provides a runtime environment to execute a single program and support the single process. A platform virtual machine is to provide a platform-independent programming environment that abstracts the detail of the underlying hardware or operating system and allow a program to execute in some way or in any platform. Some of the examples of process virtual machines are Java virtual machines, Common Language Runtime, and Parrot virtual machine. Now next, let's see why we use virtual machine. We use virtual machine because of its operational flexibility. The biggest drawback of virtualization is to operate multiple display or even system like Linux, Windows. For example, in the same console, we can use different operating system. And it also reduces overhead cost of having some another new hardware that we require to run some another operating system. Instead, we can use virtual machine and we can use that system in that. And it also has disaster recovery. Virtual machines can be highly effective solution for disaster recovery. And now let's see how do these virtual machines work. Virtualization uses software to simulate virtual hardware that allows multiple virtual machines to run on a single machine. The physical machine is known as the host, while the virtual machines running on it are called guest. This process is managed by software known as hypervisor. The hypervisor is responsible for managing and provisioning. The hypervisor is responsible for managing and providing resources like memory and storage from the host to guest. It It also schedule operation in virtual machines and they don't overrun each other when using resources. Virtual machines only work if there is a hypervisor to virtualize and distribute host resources. And now let's see the architecture of virtual machines. So this one, the first one is the actual machine and the another one is the virtual machine. In the actual system model where we have the hardware on top of which we have kernel and then we have the processors which is doing its own task. Now in the case of virtual machine we have the hardware over here and hardware as the base and where it belongs to the physical machine, and on top of that we have virtual machine implementation which allows us to have virtual machines of these forms. So on top of this virtual machine implementation we have implemented 3 virtual machines: virtual machines 1, virtual machine 2 and virtual machine 3, and they have their own kernel and they have their own separate operating system installed on the top of this virtual machine, and they are running on their own processors. All these kernel belong to this separate virtual machine and they are not the same. So this is how virtual machine implementation look like. So we see that there is an actual physical computer on which we have virtual implementation in which we have different kind of virtual environment created and we can execute different kind of programs in it. And now let's look at some advantage of virtual machine. Like it provides familiar interface of using like another operating system or anything such, and it is isolated, so whatever you do in the virtual machine it won't affect your host system or your personal computer, and it is very highly available. So if you can't get VMware, you can opt for VirtualBox or any other software. And the most important thing is scalability. You can configure your own system using virtual machine. You can allocate the RAM, you can allocate the processor, you can configure the storage, and it is very scalable, like you can do whatever you want. And it has backup and fast recovery. And it is very cost effective because you don't have to buy any new hardware to run another operating system. Now let's look at some disadvantage of virtual machine. It is difficult to get direct access to the hardware. It also consumes huge amount of RAM, like as it is using the host computer's RAM, so it is taking a lot of memory space. It also uses the huge amount of storage. In every good thing there is something bad, so it is less effective than an actual machine. So what is virtual machine? Virtual machines are a number of discrete identical execution environment on a single computer, each of which runs an operating system that allows application written for one OS to be executed on the machine which runs a different OS, which provides a great level of isolation between process than is achieved when you run multiple processes on the same instant of an operating system. And this was a little bit about operating systems, virtual machine, and this is George Stenson Tika, and thank you.